Your most viral video probably made you $0. I know this because mine did too. 180,000 views, thousands of likes, hundreds of comments made me $340. Meanwhile, a video with 2,800 views made me $47,000. Let me explain why this happens and how to avoid it. I'm Nick and I help businesses turn YouTube into their #1 sales channel. And I've been there. I've had viral videos. I've watched the view count climb 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. It felt amazing, like I'd finally made it on YouTube. But then I looked at my bank account, nothing. 0 new clients, 0 sales, just a big number on a screen that means absolutely nothing to my business. That's when I realized going viral is not the goal. Making money is the goal. Those two things, they're almost never the same. So why do viral videos make nothing? Here's what happens when a video goes viral. Reason number 1. The algorithm pushes it to everyone. YouTube's algorithm sees your videos getting engagement, so it shows it to more people and more people and more people. But here's the problem, it's showing it to everyone, not your ideal clients, not qualified buyers, everyone. People who would never hire you, people who can't afford you, people who are just browsing. You get lots of views, but they're empty views. Reason number 2, viral content is broad. For a video to go viral, it usually has to appeal to the masses. So the topic in general, the message is watered down. It's entertaining and interesting, but it doesn't position you as an expert in anything specific. You become that person that made that one viral video, not the expert who solves my exact problem. Reason number 3, wrong call to action or no CTA. Most viral videos either have no CTA or a very weak one. Because if you're optimizing for virality, you don't want to ruin it with a sales pitch. So people watch, enjoy, and leave with no next steps, no email capture, no sales page visits, no calls booked, just views that go nowhere. Let me show you exactly what I mean with my own videos. Right, video 1, the viral one that got all the views. I made a video about YouTube's algorithm changes. It's a very broad topic. Lots of people care about it. It got to about 182,000 views. I was absolutely excited with that. But when I tracked those where the viewers went, almost nowhere. 2% clicked my link and maybe 5% were actually qualified. The total revenue I generated from that video was about $340. But let's look at the next video, video 2, the flop. Then I made a video about how to track revenue from YouTube videos. Very exact problem and a narrow audience, only relevant to business owners who are already making content. That video got about 2,800 views. And I thought it flopped at the time when I looked at YouTube. But when I tracked it, 15% of people clicked the link and 30% of those were highly qualified people. People who needed exactly what I was selling. The total revenue I generated from that flop video was $47,000. Same person, same channel, but wildly different results with 2 different videos. The flop made me 138 times more money than the viral video because it attracted the right people. So if going viral doesn't make you money, what does? Here's what actually makes a video profitable. Element number 1, a specific audience. The video speaks to a very narrow group of people. Here's an example. Not entrepreneurs, but B2B consultants who are struggling to close high-ticket deals. The smaller audience, the more valuable each view is. Element number 2, it solves an expensive problem. The video addresses a problem people will pay to solve. Like here's an example, not how to be more productive, but how to fix your sales process when you're closing at 10%. If the problem isn't expensive, they won't pay for the solution. Element number 3, positions you as the expert. The video demonstrates that you have the answer, not through bragging, through teaching. You show the method, your framework, your approach. Now they see you as the person that can help them. Element number 4, clear next steps. There's an obvious call to action. Get my free guide, book a strategy call, join my email course, and it's directly related to the video content. If the video is about email marketing, for example, The CTA is an email template. If the video is about sales calls, then the CTA is about call booking link. It flows naturally. When a video has all 4 of these elements, it makes money, even with low views. Here's the trade-off you need to understand though. You can optimize for views or you can optimize for revenue. You can't optimize for both. When you optimize for views, you normally make very broad content, chase trending topics, don't use CTAs properly, but it gets lots of attention. When you optimize for revenue, you make very narrow content, you focus on evergreen problems, you include clear CTAs, you get fewer views, but you get way more customers. I had to make this choice and I chose revenue. My view counts went down, my subscribers growth slowed, but my income 10x'd. I'll take that trade every single time because views don't pay my team and views don't pay my mortgage. Revenue does. And once you stop caring about going viral, you start making money. So what should you do instead of chasing viral videos? Strategy 1. Target high intent topics. Make videos about problems people are actively trying to solve. Use search terms like how to choose blah blah blah, best solution for your problem, like your service versus someone else's service. These get fewer searches but higher conversions. Strategy 2, build a sales funnel. Every video should lead somewhere, like video to a landing page, to an email sequence, to an offer. Don't just make content, build a system. Strategy number 3, track revenue, not views. Stop looking at your view count. Start tracking which videos generate leads and sales. Then make more videos like that. I have 6 core videos that generate 90% of my revenue on my channel. They are not my most viewed videos, but they are my most profitable ones. And that's all that matters. All right, so here's what to do next. If you want to learn how to create videos that actually make money, not just get views, I have a free 30-day email course. I'll show you exactly what types of content drives revenue, how to position your offers, how to build the full system. Links in the description below. Just drop your email and I'll send it to you. And if you want to start tracking which of your videos are making you money, check out Trace Revenue, because you can't optimize what you don't measure. You'll see exactly which videos drive sales, not just views. It takes 5 minutes to set up. The link's also down below. Look, I get it. Viral videos make you feel good, but making money feels much better. Stop chasing that dopamine hit of views. Start chasing the real thing, revenue. That's how you build an actual business on YouTube. See you in the next one.